Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new here, my name is Caroline and you should totally subscribe and join the man fam. Today I am 19 years old. Where does time go? I swear it doesn't feel like my birthday because time is just gone by so quickly. I feel like yesterday I turned 18. Turning 19 is kind of a weird one because you're already an adult, but it's like your last year of having the word teen at the end of your age. If you didn't see the last video, I mentioned that I'm gonna be going on a road trip today and we're leaving pretty soon, so I need to get a couple things done. First of which, we have to feed the hungry baby. I also need food as well. And then I'm gonna make a little bit of a coffee. Yesterday it rained so much, so I'm kind of scared to drive because we're taking my car. For breakfast, here's what I'm thinking. I just want a bowl of cereal, honestly. I made a yogurt parfait bowl as like dessert last night, so I don't think I want yogurt again. But I'm gonna have some cereal and then I have some berries. I'm gonna put a picture of my favorite cereal. It's from Trader Joe's and it has pecans, really, really good. I forget the name of it though. There's like clusters, granola in it. Also, I bought like 8 of these from Costco for a really good deal because of how much coffee and food I eat that requires oat milk. I'm just gonna scoop some fruit on there because I've got way too much fruit and I'm gonna have to throw it out before I leave, which makes me so sad because I don't want to be wasteful, but it does need to get eaten. This is the birthday breakfast. Let's grub. Oh crap, is it trash day? Oh, that's bad. I have had trash sitting in there for so long. Well, something's definitely gonna cook in my garage now. Okay, we're sort of running a little bit behind schedule because of me, obviously. I just did my makeup, filmed a little get ready with me on my TikTok. Now I'm blow drying my hair. My hair is like not doing okay right now. I'm gonna finish blow drying. This is the car road trip fit. Got on these sweats from Brandy Melville, top from Shein actually. And I think the last thing I need to do is just put my hair oil in my hair and then we're all ready to go. But I love my hair when it's freshly blown out. It's just like the softest, nicest thing. Decided to add this little hat from one of my favorite coffee shops called Push and Pour. I think for shoes, I'm just gonna wear my Uggs and then maybe I'll bring a pair of sneakers. I think I might just do that. That'll be easier. I'm so excited. Literally need this road trip so bad. Also, the doorbell just rang and I think that there is a package here. Oh my gosh. Wait, I'm so excited for this. My management team just sent over a box of Yo-Nuts. Shut the front door. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. You guys, look at how perfect these are. Okay, I've never actually had these before. I didn't even know that these were a thing. They're mini donuts. Car is all packed up. Matcha's crate. It's all in here. Oh. What? It's so baby little. Donuts. I could cry. We're gonna have a lot of sugar on this road trip.
I'm hoping it's 2. We can split up the drive though.
We're leaving on a good time and we're also leaving on a Thursday.
Okay, right now it's 2 hours and 19 minutes.
Oh,
which honestly is usually. Oh, you gosh. Cheers. This is easily the best donut I've ever had.
Oh my gosh, this is not what I was expecting.
Charlie, come try this.
Wow, the icing is phenomenal.
The icing is like marshmallow?
That is literally so
Try
good.
it.
Charlie, try that one. Okay, I'm gonna try another one. This is the cookies and cream.
Is it better? No. She said no.
This is gross.
She said
This one, it's like a 6.
I think she's just lowering it because she was expecting it to be better.
I had really high hopes, but you know what? It's like the donut part is all I can taste. Like this part's not really giving. Whatever the zebra one is.
Am I really that much taller than you guys?
That's so good.
Kaylee and I are tiny.
I know.
We're tiny people.
You're like a foot taller.
Dude, the s'mores one was just phenomenal.
The s'mores one, I feel like starting off just really strong.
Started off with a bang.
I think it's rolling. Hello, bonjour. How many minutes do we have left? 2 minutes. That snow. That is crazy.
Oh my god. It's like 7 feet tall.
I'm so excited. How cute and cozy.
Yeah, Caroline is a certified snow driver.
These headbands are so freaking cute.
How cute.
Also, we've been munching on the Yonuts.
Yeah.
There's no way this is you guys.
This is the current state of the box. Favorite one, s'mores. Second favorite, Fruity Pebble. What about
I
you?
really like the mini M&M.
You like the mini
First
M&M one?
is definitely s'mores though.
What about you?
I'm probably gonna have to go with the Fruity Pebbles.
It's
right?
so good.
Really good. I was kind of scared.
This
My least
one-
favorite is the jelly one.
Bleh.
Tastes like medicine, like cherry medicine. A little bit of vanilla.
Oh. Wait, how can you tell if it's chocolate filling? Is
It's
oh,
on
it's
the very inside.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna try it.
Oh, this is
What
pudding.
is that one? It's vanilla pudding?
This is good.
Wrong for dad.
This is amazing.
Really?
I told her I want to ride up. We didn't go to church.
Matcha. What is it? Kaylee got Matcha a little sweater.
Looks kind of ugly, but.
How cute. He's being a little toot right now. Game. This isn't a game.
Okay, the little pie goes in here.
This was not Uncle's idea, guys. Don't think this was. She's the aunt that brings him the ice cream. We're going to Stacks right now. We're gonna get some BLTs. That's what I'm getting. Maybe like a turkey sandwich.
I could totally get a turkey sandwich with some avocado and some bacon.
Sounds amazing. I like turkey sandwiches. I don't do tomatoes though,
Neither do I.
or avocado.
That's a negative.
But I love like all the seasoning, lettuce and all that. So I'm definitely gonna get that. And then if they have like soups, I'm also gonna get soup. It's literally so snowy outside. It's crazy.
It does feel like a snowball.
Also, Matcha pooped in the house. Thinking about it.
It's like bringing a new kid into the house and he just all over the house and said, "Oh, sorry, that's my kid."
Scratch that idea.
Going to my father's place, guys. It's not actually my father's place. It's what the restaurant's called. My dad doesn't own this place.
How cute. It's like a little diner. We rolling. Should I dip
This
it?
actually looks bomb. Yeah, I think I'll try it in the sauce.
try it.
Wait, look how good that looks.
Bang. Bang.
Cheers. Cheers.
We get How many to 1 to 10? 1 to 10. Yeah. Just at the first
with
bite.
the sauce.
Okay. Okay.
The sauce adds it. No, this is easily a 10.
I'm going in.
Monji.
Is it good?
What do we think?
Like a 9 right now in the
there you
summer after a long day. Probably a 10.
Update. My tire pressure's low. Shout out Charles. We sit in the car.
Get you a man who will pump the tires.
Yep. If this is not
In
the
the snow.
standard.
In the snow.
In the snow, because it's
And-
coming down. I wouldn't even know the first thing to do if my tire pressure was
You
low.
showed me last time we were here because my pressure was bad.
That burger was phenomenal.
It hit.
Okay, we're at Charlie's barn. Tonight's dinner fit. It's a long black dress, and I am obsessed.
Not the heels. Wait, hold on. I'm.
All right, the pictures are. Pictures.
No. Big way. With no shoes on.
Oh my god, he's so for real right now. Off to dinner.
I feel my toes.
That was.
Are yours freezing?
Mine are freezing. The dogs are wet. My socks are wet, which makes it worse. All of us are victims right now in this moment. We've all suffered a treacherous fall.
Oh my gosh, I wish we got
Second of the day for Caroline.
This is the yeah.
Now we're on our way to get dinner, so we'll be okay. So we're going to a dinner and surprising Caroline right now. She doesn't even know where we're going.
Oh.
But I think she's gonna love it.
So excited. I have been spoiled by Kaylee and Charlie. Shout out to you guys, the parents. Okay, so we ordered an appetizer first. We've got this like pita hummus bread deal, and so I'm gonna try this. I feel like us trying a bunch of food here.
Here's the spread of the hummus. I think she likes it, guys.
Safe to say. Alright, what's the time?
That's fire. This is like 10 out of 10. Isn't that non-bread good?
Going in. With a little bit of pesto in there.
With a little bit of pesto.
That's a lot of it.
I want to like put that on the pizza.
Radish taste test.
I've never had radish. Should I try it?
Is it bad?
It tastes like a toe.
Kaylee, I don't think you're going.
It tastes like a literal toe.
Literal feet.
Taking pictures for Caroline's birthday, featuring my mom's shoes.
Feet.
Like, look at
Feet
that.
the shoe.
Feet the feet right there. Got my beautiful girlfriend right here, Kaylee. There's the lake.
Oh, it's chilly.
Look at the beautiful view with another beautiful view.
This is so cool.
We all knew where that was going.
Oh my god, somebody just tripped on me.
Hey guys, we're in the background. They really wish they had me as a photographer. I'm kind of left out right now. I'm just the odd man out, but I'm used to it. It's okay, because I'm here with a beautiful view and not much to complain about in McCall.
I think it does like the little focus. Yummer. That looks phenomenal. Yummer.
That's really yummy. And also, I have to try that. Happy birthday to you. That is so cute.
Eat it up.
Put on top. That's
Okay.
the best part. Oh, well, you can know this.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, wow.
This is amazing.
Such a Jane for real. We are.
We're at Albertsons getting some groceries for the couple days that we're gonna be here.
Which one are we doing on this trip?
Close your eyes, pick a color.
We're doing this. Oh, damn.
She got her toothbrush. We're picking out eggs.
It's called balance, babe.
I am so tired, but I had the best sleep, which is good. Today for breakfast, I'm gonna make some eggs, strawberries, and melon toast with jam, huckleberry jam, to be exact. It's so cold. Wow.
Happy day 2 in McCall, Idaho. It's freezing. It snowed so much last night. Also, there were raccoons. Where are we going, guys?
We're gonna go where I want to work over summer. It's like this little coffee shop right off the lake. What's it called though? Mountain Java?
Mountain Java, yeah.
Oh my god, Kaylee, do you see that?
Oh,
My snow print.
Charlie, it's not working because the cap is on.
Oh. Sorry, guys. Caroline started.
Oh, this is a shamrock with oatmeal. Like, oh, yeah.
I'm good. I'm gonna lick first.
Are you kidding? Oh my god, that foam is so good. Wow. Oh, that's really good.
Can't see anything past that.
Oh no! My boots! It's so cold!
Here we have the ladies walking to Stacy Cakes. We're gonna get Caroline nice treats to bring back to some of her friends. I hope you guys all know that Caroline's a grandma too, so she loves all those cookies and stuff like that. Oh, she's getting bouncy. This fabrics and quilts are Caroline's heart right there. If you guys want to flatter Caroline, get her a quilt or something else that has to do with being a grandma.
I literally I can't feel my face right now. It's really cold.
What about you, Kaylee?
This painting's honestly helping.
Got the collection on the back. You guys are kind of matching. Look at that.
How are they looking today?
We're selling snow.
Selling snow.
We are about to head out and go to the barn. We tried to go the other day, but we got locked out. So we're going to the barn today. And this is my fit. I kept that shirt on. I added this little puffer. Got some ski pants or snow pants. And then I'm gonna end up wearing some boots. Very excited. I like the dark staining. Look at Kaylee and Matcha. She is already
ready.
She's ready. This fireplace is insane.
Look at that rock.
That is sick.
I don't think I've ever seen one.
No, I've never seen that before. And how cozy is this? Whoa!
Right? Yeah, it's crazy.
Oh my.
Wet, it's not in the desert. It's just not gonna.
Okay, so we've been in the jacuzzi for a while, and Charlie is making a snowman right now. There's Charlie. Building the snowman. I think we will have a snowman by the end of the night. Also, we're having s'mores. We went to Albertsons, got some stuff for s'mores, and then we made dinner earlier, which was really good. But we're gonna do that, I think, after. Obviously, it's snowing, so the fire did not go as planned outdoors. But we always have this, and then we always have the stove and the microwave. So we will have s'mores also. Matcha he's been okay. We'll just say that, he's been okay on this trip. So Charlie built the base of the snowman, and now we're about to make some s'mores. Got honey made crackers, jet puff marshmallow, Hershey's, and Reese's. Look at it, looks like it's a bald spot.
No, Papa John. Oh, he's still so cute though. We were just in the jacuzzi while Charlie for like 2 hours. Smell like bad.
Yeah, like the aftertaste.
Do not build a snowman by yourself.
This is DIY stove s'mores. It's gotta be burnt.
Caroline's gonna sit here for like an hour trying to wait for gold.
Here's what we got.
He's like, I know
These wheels need to lace.
Good morning. This is our last day here, and I just woke up. I'm gonna make the same breakfast that I made yesterday, which is eggs, sourdough toast, and huckleberry jam. And today we're leaving. We finished the snowman. Well, Charlie did the whole thing basically, but we did the decor. Look how perfect it is. The nose is kind of invisible because it's an icicle. Oh, and I think we're heading out soon. Are you peer pressured?
That's disgusting.
Just try a little piece.
Just have a got
It's
it.
like mold. It's not even cheese. It's literally just mold that they call cheese.